In a world teetering on the edge of collapse, hope still flickers like the glow of a dying star. A solitary scientist, burdened yet determined, walks through the remnants of what was once a thriving metropolis. With each step, echoes of resilience resonate, fueled by the power of knowledge and the belief that even the smallest spark can ignite a revolution. As the scientist gazes upon the ruins of civilization, memories surface, reminding them of laughter, love, and life that once filled these streets. The glowing device in their hand is not just a tool, it is a beacon of possibility, a chance to reclaim what was lost and inspire a new generation to dream again. Navigating through this juxtaposed world, the scientist understands that true strength lies not in what was built, but in what can be reborn. Nature, in its relentless pursuit of survival, teaches us that hope is unyielding, urging us to rise from the ashes and innovate anew. Standing at the precipice, the scientist feels the weight of ambition and the call to action. With the glowing device as their guide, they summon the courage to challenge despair, igniting a spark that could usher in a new dawn for humanity.